Hello, beautiful people! My name is BenJammin, and today we're learning the song Take Me the Way I Am by Ingrid Michaelson. Of course, please like and subscribe so we can continue to learn and have fun together. We're using the G chord, the C chord, the E minor chord, and the D chord. And also, it's like you take your D chord and slide up a half step. We call it a D sharp or E flat, and we're just strumming down those bottom three strings. Or if you want to, you can put your pinky here and get that note in there too. But it works fine without. And back to the G. The strum pattern is like this. Let's just start to get together. You got it? Okay. If you are falling, then I would catch you. You need a light. I'll find a match. 'Cause I love the way you say good morning. Good morning. And you take me the way I am. If you are chilly, you take my sweater. Your head is aching, I'll make it better. 'Cause I love the way you call me baby. Hey baby. You take me the way I am. And at this point there's an instrumental, if you want to do that. And just the same chord progression. And I like that bum 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 part. I throw that in if I can. I'll buy you Rogaine when you start losing all your hair. So on patches to all you tear. 'Cause I love you more than I could ever promise. And you take me the way I am. You take me the way I am. Now, you may notice that when I played it, instead of playing the strum, sometimes I change it to something that sounded like this. And I go, because that's just fun too. So, if you want to play it like that, it's your fingers are on the strings, and we got the bass note, and then the bottom four strings with the G chord, and then slap. And then I did the next note up, the bass, the thumb went this, and then to the C chord. The bass note now is the the A string, the C,